Hi, I'm Deanna. My professional development workshop is titled Successful Technology and STEM Integration. Present were 3 technology teachers and 11 core content teachers who simply wanted to integrate technology and STEM into their classrooms. We had 3 hours to dive into the fun world of STEM and technology. We discussed the SAMR model, as I wanted to guide the teachers from simply using technology as a substitute to allowing students to create with the tech as a way of expression and also for differentiation. So first, I introduced them to the different robots that I have in my room, and I informed them how important computational thinking is to our students. I offered links and ideas for using the robots to enhance their curricular content. After the robots, I introduced them to Tinkercad and 3D printing. I showed them examples of my middle school STEM projects, which include testing, designing, printing, and then challenging their own 3D printed boats and also rubber band powered cars. After that, we discussed how using a green screen can allow creativity for any subject. We discussed platforms such as DoInk for Apple and WeVideo for Chromebooks to use for editing. Finally, I introduced them to websites like Nearpod, Pear Deck, Flipgrid, Make-It, or Make Believe Comics, just to mix up their current lesson plans and add a little bit more technology. Once I answered any of their questions, I let them loose in my lab. I set out robot stations as well as set up the green screen, and teachers chose a topic that they wanted to explore further, and they dove in and tried to find different things they could use for their classroom. I assisted when they needed help, and it really went well. I feel the professional development was a success. One teacher actually told my administrator that I should present at Texpo, which is a technology expo in Atlantic City, because I put together a great curriculum that involves all core content within my lessons. And my administrator agreed, and I guess I'm going to be presenting the same workshop in Atlantic City in January, so I'm going to call this a success. Thanks for watching.